was actually just sitting here thinking before I log into work. I was sitting here thinking, like, is what I'm listening to, is it adding value to my life? Is it consistent with who God made me to be? If it's not, I need to remove it. I have zero time to repair. I have zero time to delay because God has something specifically that he wants me to do. And I need to ensure that my ducks are in a row. I have zero time to waste. I have zero time to prepare. And that's the same thing God has for you. God is like, look, I called you. Listen, you have places to go. You have zero time to be involved into something that's not adding value to your life, that is not consistent with who God made you to be. You know what I mean? And so it's like you have zero time for that. Every live isn't fire. Everything you listen to is not adding value. But be wise on what you're listening to today, because what you listen to, it will determine how far you're going to go. Think about that.